Hi, my name is Amia Dutra, and I am a student and employee here at UNM, and recently I've been facing burnout due to my strenuous course load intake and thought to myself, there must be a way to deal with this. That's when the idea hit me. Lobo Coffee was born. UNM's Student Life and Residence Organization should install a coffee bar inside of La Posada Dining Hall. The coffee bar will be accessible to the staff and students at UNM's campus. There are quite a few benefits, such as increasing the popularity, profit, has student and faculty motivation, supports local businesses, there's campus and community involvement, 100% student employed, and the dining hall site with the Lobo Coffee would be open 24/7. Looking at the cost breakdown, the worker wages are $9.50 an hour. This would employ about 10 to 15 students weekly. You can see coffee supply and distribution, supply cost, logo and branding, which is free, and marketing, which is free due to student-run social media and grassroots advertising on campus. The timeline for installation would begin in summer and end by fall 2021, when school is back in session for UNM students and employees. Enjoy the little things. That's our slogan here at Lobo Coffee. It's unique to campus, a modern touch to La Posada Dining Hall. It will work to promote staff, student, and community involvement in UNM and deliver messages of empowerment and involvement. It provides us with a quick fix and a great stop for us in need of an energy boost to survive classes and get through our work week. Thank you so much.